Hello. Regular verbs in English and in ED when we have the past tense. If the sound, the ending sound of the verb is P, K, S, Ch, Sh, F, X, then the ED sounds like a T. So I will read to you a list of verbs so you can hear them, practice them, and remember them better. Let's start. Ask. I ask my students if they understand. Yesterday I asked my neighbor if he has time. Bake. I bake bread every week. Last month I baked pizza. Brush. We brush our teeth every morning, every evening. Yesterday I brushed my teeth 3 times. Cook. I cook dinner every day. Yesterday I cooked lasagna. Crack. We can crack an egg before we eat it. I cracked my car window last month. Crash. When we drive a car very fast, we can crash it. I crashed my motorcycle when I was young. Dance. We dance every day when we are happy. I danced very much when I was a student. Dress. I like to dress in blue shirts. I dressed in a suit for my wedding. Drop. I drop my telephone once a month. I dropped my telephone last week in the rain. Escape. Prisoners always escape from prison. When I was a student, I escaped from my lessons. Finish. I finish work at about 5 o'clock. When I was young, I finished my day at about 12 o'clock. Fix. When my car breaks, I must fix it. I fixed my bicycle last spring. Guess. If I don't know the answer, I guess. During my driving exam, I guessed all the answers. Help. I don't know what to do. Please help me. I helped the old lady cross the street. Hike. I like going and hiking in the mountains. I hiked in America with a big group of friends. Hope. I hope that the weather will be beautiful tomorrow. When I was young, I hoped I will never be a teacher. Joke. We make jokes every day to laugh. I joked with them about my car always breaking. Jump. We jump when we exercise. I jumped very high when I was playing basketball. Kiss. I kiss my children every week. But I kissed my grandmother last Christmas. Knock. I knock on the door when I want to visit my friend. I knocked on the window when I wanted to get his attention. Like. I like going to the cinema. When I was young, I liked sleeping very much. Laugh. I like to laugh very much when I teach English. I laughed last weekend when I saw what was happening. Lock. I lock my car before I come to work. I locked my house before leaving. Look. I look out my window every day. I looked at them and said good morning. Okay, that was the list of verbs that end in the sound t when we say a verb in the past tense. On the next film, I will do the verbs which are from M to W. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.